Who stole my football shoes? Messi, was it you? No, not me. Speed? Bro,
FIFA World Cup is knocking at the door. At this moment, this kind of soccer or football video is now trending all over the world. Look at this channel. It has more than 9 million subscribers and millions of views in every video. And according to Social Blade, it can make around $3,000 per month. You can also create a channel like this, because you can easily create this kind of videos using AI. And in this video, I will share the full guide of how you can create these videos inside one platform called OpenArt. So let's dive in. Okay, to create this kind of videos, we need to collect and create some assets. First of all, we will create funny and cartoon versions of famous footballers, and then create videos with these characters. To create the images and videos, we need detailed prompts. Don't worry, you don't need to write any prompts, because I already prepared a master prompt for you and you will find the prompt in the description. It's completely free to use. Now just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit the send button. And here it is. You can see the prompt. ChatGPT gives us detailed and rich image and video prompts for every scene. Okay, as all the prompts are ready, now it's time to generate the content. We will create the images first and then turn them into video clips. And to do all of these, I will use the biggest generative AI platform for content creators, called OpenArt. You will find a vast library of tools and features here at the dashboard. First, we will create the images. So, I am selecting the text to image generator from here. Okay? This is the image generator interface. First of all, we have to select the image generation model. You will find a bunch of options. Every leading image generator model is available here. I am selecting the GPT-Image2 model, as this is the best model at this moment. After selecting the image model, you can add reference images or characters. I will skip this time. Now, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I will copy the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT and paste the prompt in the image generation prompt box. After entering the prompt, you can auto-polish the prompt. Next, select the output aspect ratio and resolution. You can select the quality and then number of images. Once done, hit the Generate button. GPT-Image2 will start generating the image. And here it is, the image is ready. Look at the image, it looks really amazing. GPT-Image2 did a great job. It's the perfect image for our video. Now, if you don't like the image, you can regenerate it. Let's create the same image, but with Nano Banana 2 model. This is the image Nano Banana 2 has generated. You can see that these images look more funny and cartoonish, and they contain the latest images. I think this will be better for me. This is the advantage of having the access of multiple tools. Okay, now let's create the second scene image. Copy the second image prompt and then paste it here and generate the image. And here it is. The image is ready. Now in the same method, create the third scene image. Okay, all the images are ready. Now, it's time to turn them into video clips. So, come to the video tab from here. Okay, this is the video generator interface. Here, you can start with the image to video, or frame to image, and text to image, or reference to image. As we already have the first frame of every scene, I will go with frame to image. Now, set the video generator model. Here, you will find all the popular and powerful video generator models, including Cdance 2, Kling 3, Veo 3, Grok, and all others. From my experience, Grok Imagine 2 is best for this kind of video clip. I am selecting the model. After selecting the model, we have to select the image. You can upload the image or select from the creation. I will select the first scene image from here. Now we have to enter the prompt. I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the full video prompt with the voiceover. After that, set the resolution and the duration. Once done, hit the Generate button. The video is generating, and here it is. The video is ready.
Who stole my football shoes? Messi, was it you? No, not me. Speed? Bro, I didn't take them! Georgina?
No, Ronaldo.
Wait, those are my shoes! Okay, fine, I borrowed them.
This is perfect. More interesting than the Iron Football channel. Now, I will use another model to generate the same video. This time, I am using the WAN 2.7 model. The same prompt and the same settings. And here is the result.
Who stole my football shoes? Messi, was it you?
No, Speed, bro, I didn't take them.
Wait, those are my shoes.
Okay, fine, I borrowed them.
This is also good. but I think Grok Imagine did better than Juan 2.7. So, I will create all other videos with Grok, okay? Let's create the second video clip. I am selecting the image. Once done, I will copy the prompt, paste it into the prompt box, set all other settings, and then generate the video. And here is the second video clip.
Who stole my burger? Not me.
I didn't take it.
Definitely not me. Wait! You're eating it! Okay, fine. It smelled amazing.
This is really amazing. So, now we can create this quality animated football video inside OpenArt. Okay, now in this method, create all other scene videos. Once all the video clips are ready, download them and then assemble them with a video editor, and you will get the final video. Once the final video is ready, you can publish the video on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere. Alright, as the soccer or football niche is now trending, you should give it a try. And following this method, you can create videos in any niche inside OpenArt AI. Furthermore, OpenArt has many other amazing features we talked about earlier. If you are a content creator and create viral AI videos or other content, OpenArt AI can be your best partner. So give it a try. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.